In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this UFO shield animation in Eevee. Let's create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab, to go to Edit Mode, 1, to Vertex Select, Ctrl, F, and Grid Fill. Let's select the vertex in the middle and type G and Z to move it up proportionally. Shift Z to wireframe view, 1 to vertex select, and E to extrude. S to scale. Let's bring it down and mirror it on the Z axis. Let's move the origin to the 3D cursor. Activate clipping and in edit mode, move the upper mesh downward like this to clip the meshes. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. I'll add a shiny metallic material. Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale. Please press this number button to make this material unique. Let's go to the Shading tab and work on the shield material with nodes. Basically, we're adding emission and transparent nodes, and mix them to create a light emitting and transparent shield material. Let's switch to Eevee and activate the bloom setting. Please match my settings. Let's animate the shield. We can do so by going to frame 1, and hovering the cursor on Mix Shaders FAC. Press I to set a keyframe. Let's set the Mix Shaders FAC to 100% for frame 1 and 100, and 0% for frame 50. Set the last frame as 100 as well. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.